what motivated us was the sheer nature of the last unit we had being so dirty. It was disgusting, and it was water based, so that was susceptible to a lot of different bacteria pickup, and it was just a very wet and dirty area of our brewery. And being so close to the filler, it's very important that that area stays clean a lot. So a lot of time and investment was put into keeping that area clean, and then every day we ran it, it would get dirty again. So making sure that what we were looking for in an air rinser was to take that moisture or water out of the equation. So running an air rinser now, it's a far cleaner, simpler process. So I did a quick Google search for deionized air rinsers, and A&E was one of the first individuals that popped up. And first thing I'm going to do in the industry is vet my friends and peers in the industry and see who might already have one. And when I took a trip up to Brewdog in Columbus, visited those guys, they had an air rinser from A&E, and they spoke very highly of it. And they talked about how clean it was and how tidy and very hands-free that the system was. At the time, we were looking for something similar, so I definitely wanted to get a quote from them and see what we could do. A&E has been great. They've been very helpful in kind of troubleshooting their equipment. There's not really been any major issues after install. During install, there's the normal things that pop up, and they were quick to address them. Sending a technician out on the weekend at last minute notice to just really solve an issue for us on one of the rails that maybe came in a little wrong. So they resolved it very quickly, and it's been great. And so we have a great working relationship, looking to purchase new equipment with those guys at some point in the future as well. And they've been very good from the engineering standpoint as well, figuring out what needs we might have with our tight constraints of real estate or small packaging line areas. So they've been very helpful in helping work with our constraints to put an engineering solution together that works.